Hi guys, I think this is Hops Road or something like that park. Come here a few times. Nobody about at the moment, or at least not in the middle. I've put a silly lump of lead on here to try and give us extra weight. Okay. Well, that did seem to go up better. There's no wind and it's roasting. Huh. Well, you can probably hear there's a bit of wind now. Right. No, I'm not getting the launch right. Hit my hand again. Might have just a touch too much weight on it. See if I can bend a bit off. Yeah, don't seem to be able to get the height now. Got more height when it was tissue paper, but I don't think it's the difference of tissue paper and printer paper. I think it's that it's warped when I put the paper on it. I don't know if you can see that warp, and that's making it go into rotation mode much quicker. That's better. That one wasn't better. No, hitting the hand each time. Try holding it in a different position. Yeah, we're getting very little height, but it is doing the rotation properly. You hear that hit my hand. Oh, it's broken now. Yeah, right, well, this is the third attempt that we've had with this, and we're just not doing it. No. Sorry to sound negative. Yes, I do think it's probably to do with that warp. So, yeah, might have to print it again, cover it again, maybe try covering it from the top. I don't know. Don't know. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.